New package alert. What's going on, everybody? My name is John Alexander, and as promised, in today's video we will be unboxing the latest release from Kanye West and Adidas. These joints they're calling 380 Mist. So guys, of course, stay tuned for the video because it's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys? Welcome back. If y'all haven't done so, check out my last video. I'm doing a little giveaway, so just a little heads up, check that out if you guys want a free pair of those Jesus is King socks. But to get straight into business, this sneaker dropped on February 29th actually, and again they pulled the shock drop on us, guys, but it felt like these sneakers were mad impossible to get. My experience was basically I never even got through the waiting room on Yeezy Supply, so it was just a complete L for me, and I feel like for everybody else. So had to pick these things up off of Go, and basically this is the reflective version, of course, as y'all know, but I don't really notice, I don't know if there's any differences between these joints and the non-reflective. So if you guys are feeling this colorway, look forward to the actual non-reflective version dropping later this month, actually on March 25th, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and check these out. So the little tag just fell out, so we caught these, of course, off of Go. Go's been my go-to app in terms of buying sneakers, just because they got that one-day shipping option. So for me, I'm a huge fan. So we picked these up in size 11. Now, like photos of these I've seen online, I haven't really felt these that much. So I want to see if they can convince me or if I still really don't like these. So let's check them out together, y'all. All right. So y'all see them. Here go the new 380 Mist reflective joints. Of course, like always, drop your first impressions down in the comments below. So we got another Yeezy review here on the channel. So if y'all are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So the 380 Mist Reflective is another beautiful colorway from the Adidas brand. So of course you got a gum bottom with the white exposed boost. Are y'all feeling the bottom of these 380s? What do y'all think about the design? Now, when it comes to the sneaker, you got a lot of different colors going on here. So the sole is actually translucent, y'all. So it's got like a white gray background, but you can notice the translucent going right through here. Now the colorway is unique, as this looks like a dark gray, and then this looks like a green, and you got another color shade of green going on here, and then you got this tan going right through the midsole. And of course, like y'all know, in the 380s, you got these little holes going through here, so you can actually see the white insert. So when you take these out, you can kind of see right through here. So depending on your color of socks, can kind of give it a different vibe. And I love the color of these laces as it matches. I think they did a great job on the color blocking. So let me know what y'all think about these joints. Yeezy 380 Mist reflective version. So we got another cool colorway from Kanye, something light, but I'm feeling these joints, of course. They're decent. It's the second colorway that we've seen from the 380. So of course, first they dropped these joints right here, the Aliens, which I'm a huge fan of the Aliens just because I love the new silhouette. But how do these stack up next to each other, y'all? So you got the aliens over here, and then you got your missed joints. I know everybody's gonna be feeling these more, but these are not bad. Now, what this drop reminds me of, kind of, is like the, actually the Geodes. So the 700 V2s, first they dropped the static joints, and then the second colorway they dropped was the Geodes, which were actually, people label those as a brick, as they had a huge number of stock. So people were even copping those under retail. Now I feel like with these joints, the reflective version is like hovering right around the $400, $500 range, it looks like. So the non-reflective version is probably not gonna have any resale value. So the non-reflective version are dropping for $230. So if y'all are looking to resell, those might be bricks, y'all, depending on the stock number. But the way that Adidas handled this release is kind of strange. So they dropped the reflective version almost a month before, kind of to create a hype. And I feel like they had a super low stock number on these joints. So I think they're trying to build the hype for the non-reflective version, which we're gonna see a more massive release. And I feel like, again, there's probably gonna be no resale on them. But let me know what y'all think about these joints right here. They're decent. I'm gonna call them the 380 Geodes, because they got the same kind of color tone and everything. They're decent, but are they something that I'm going crazy over? Probably not. I do like the gum bottom, and the colorway is dope, but it's just not something that I'm too excited about. When I first seen Chance rocking these on All-Star Weekend, it kind of gave me a bad taste in my mouth about these. But let me know what y'all think about these joints. Are these a cop or a drop for y'all? So we gave you a look at those new 380 reflective joints on the channel here. We did the on feet, everything, and I gave you my opinion on them. So appreciate everybody for watching. Now I actually doubled up on the Yeezy Quantums. So if y'all want to see a video talking about sizing and the reason I doubled up on those, let me know in the comments down below. But again, appreciate everybody that's watching. Remember, check out my last video on the new Cinder joints right here. That way you can enter the giveaway for the Jesus is King socks. So again, thanks everybody. Positive vibes, y'all. Go ahead and leave some positive vibes for me down in the comments. So we'll wrap it up, y'all. Catch y'all in the next video. Stay blessed, guys. And I'm out.